Africa is slowly tearing open, and one day it could create a new ocean. That sounds impossible, because continents look permanent, solid, fixed, like maps are finished, but they are not. Deep under East Africa, the ground is being pulled in two directions. Africa sits on giant moving slabs of crust called tectonic plates. And in East Africa, one plate is slowly splitting into two. The Nubian Plate on one side, the Somali Plate on the other. Between them is a massive scar in the earth, the East African Rift. The plates are moving apart slowly, only millimeters to a few centimeters each year. That sounds tiny, but over millions of years, tiny becomes massive. As the land stretches, the crust gets thinner, the ground sinks, earthquakes happen, volcanoes form, valleys open, and the continent slowly changes shape. If this continues long enough, seawater could eventually flood the gap, and East Africa could begin separating from the rest of the continent. A brand new ocean could form. That is not science fiction. It is the same kind of process that helped create the Atlantic Ocean. So Africa is not splitting overnight. It is changing one tiny movement at a time. That is why geography becomes easier when slow changes turn into big questions. Testudy helps you practice with quick quizzes and flashcards before the idea fades. Africa is not frozen on the map. It is still moving, still cracking, still being remade. So next time you see a map of Africa, remember, you are looking at a continent with a future ocean hiding inside it.